friends, happy Friday. It's Miss Drywa, and it is our final day of multiplication. So we're going to finish up with our 11 times table today, and then starting next week we will start division. So this is exciting stuff, friends. You have been doing multiplication for so long, and you guys have done such an amazing job. Alright, so let's get started. It really should be a quick video today because we're just going to quickly go over a few problems, and then you can work on your worksheets. And then you can have an amazing weekend. So, let's see. Remember, friends, when we are skip counting or finding the multiples of a number, we always start with that number. So, we're going to start with the number 11. So, I want everybody to count with me. So, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Let's do it one more time. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. So let's do a couple of problems now. So we have here 7 times 11. So we know the rule. Any number times 11 is that number but doubled. So in that case, 7 times 11 should equal 77. However, we're going to make our equal groups to make sure that we are correct. So I have 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'm going to skip count by 11. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. We were right. 7 times 11 equals 77, right? So 7, so we have 2 1s, and we know 1 times a number is that same number, so we need 2 7s. Awesome job. Let's go to the next one. Now I have 11 times 6. Well, for this one, we're going to start in our ones place, just like we do for addition and subtraction. And the 6 is going to multiply by the 1 in the ones place and the 1 in the tens place. So I start at my ones place, right? So I have 1 times 6. And we know that 1 times any number is always that same number. So I know 1 times 6 has to equal 6. So now my ones place is done. Now my 6 has to multiply by the tens place. So I do 1 times 6, and I still get 6. So 11 times 6 equals 66. So let's review. This is our final day. So 1 times 11 is going to give us 11 because we know 1 times any number is always that number. So 1 times 11 is 11. Easy peasy. Now I want everybody to say this with me. 2 times 11 equals 22. Ready? So let's say it together. 2 times 11 equals 22. All right, so let's say it now also for the next one. Ooh. 3 times 11 equals 33. Now say it with me. 3 times 11 equals 33. The next one. 4 times 11 equals 44. Everyone say it with me. 4 times 11 equals 44. Next one. 5 times 11 equals 55. So I want everyone to say it with me now. 5 times 11 equals 55. 6 times 11 equals 66. Say it with me now. 6 times 11 equals 66. 7 times 11 equals 77. So I want everyone to say it with me. 7 times 11 equals 77. 8 times 11 equals 88. So now you say it. 8 times 11 equals 88. And our last one, 9 times 11 equals 99. Now you say it. 9 times 11 equals 99. Awesome job, friends. You are absolutely amazing. You have made it all the way from 0 times table to 11 times table. Give yourself a pat on the back. You are amazing. Have a wonderful weekend. You deserve it.